Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how harvester tires are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
If we cross-reference the Q3 machinery sales with the regional rainfall data,
that explains the spike in tyre demand in the Northwest Territory.
This heat map clearly shows the increased demand in the southern agricultural zones. We need to adjust Q3 production targets accordingly.
These Q3 projections for the Asian market look promising, especially the radial segment. We should capitalize on that.
I'll verify the inventory levels immediately.
Here is the finalized annual harvester tire market demand analysis for 2025. Excellent work by the team.
Thank you, I appreciate it. We'll review this immediately.
Demand projections remain high for Q4.
But we need firm commitments on the delivery schedules.
The lead times are becoming critical. We are prioritizing allocations.
all right, back it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the coils.
We need those sacks cleared from the main path immediately.
Robot B is clear. Proceeding with the final layer now.
the tension is stabilizing now.
Yes, alignment is back within tolerance.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Looks stable now.
Tread depth is within tolerance on the inner groove.
Confirmed. Sidewall integrity looks good on this one as well. We have an alert on sector C. Confirmed. Logging the microfracture now. Quality check complete. Approved for transfer to the packaging line. We need 2 more pallets for the overseas shipment. Already on it, they should be here in 5.
Yes, I'm tracking the shipment of your harvester tires now. It looks like the ETA for the replacement part is tomorrow morning.
The performance data is showing a dip in the Midwest. I'm initiating a warranty claim for the high priority alert we just received.
So the main takeaway here is improving the customer journey.
If we look at the feedback from Q3, it's clear where the bottle...
And that's how Harvester tires are made. Unison, from start to finish.
After 40 years, there's still nothing quite like seeing a job done right, knowing you built something that will last.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Yeah, have a good night.